Hi guys, so I got Chick-fil-A and a new bed frame, and in this video I'm going to be assembling it and giving a review after like 2 weeks or a week. Okay, so I got this bed on Amazon. It's the ZINUS, I think that's how it's pronounced. It's a ZINUS 14-inch platform bed. I'm going to include the details in the description. I'll include the direct link to where I bought it, just in case you want to buy it, in the description down below. So, first things first, let me read the manual. I never read manuals, so I'm going to take a new leaf by reading the manual first. So this looks really easy. It has just about 15 bolts. Oh, and it came with a card. It says hello you, and it's blank. Okay, thank you, and it's blank. And then it says hello you again, and it's blank too. Wow, we really love what you've done with the place, and we're feeling pretty honored to be the newest part of your home. Oh god, your back is kicking. Thank you for putting us under the same roof with the things and people you love the most. Oh, you're welcome. We don't take that lightly, I know. We want everyone to be excited about what they get in this box. Why is my English so horrible? And we really hope that you are, if it's not too much. Okay, I'm done reading, it's just too much to read. But that was a nice cute letter they wrote to me with a bunch of thank you and hello cards. Thank you, ZINUS. Even though this okay, by the way, this is not sponsored or anything. I just got this bed off of Amazon. I'm not being paid to say anything, so my review is going to be 100% honest, and everything that happens in this video is 100% real. Not being paid for this, even though I think they should pay me because it's like free advertisement. So thank you letter. Now I read the manual and see what they have to say to me. Ah, it's like a whole map. Let me come closer. It's like a whole map which I'm going to read and fix. So first things first, they said open it. Second thing second. This looks really easy. Like really easy, just 6 steps. Let's get to this. So first things first. According to the map, you put it like this. And then open it like this. Okay, when you open it, you open these ones too. This one's really long, then you open this one too. Okay, now my bed is still going to be low. I wanted my bed to be higher. Then open the second one too. My bed is a full size, by the way, and these people have like all the sizes available. So I've done step 1 and 2 in like 30 seconds. So now step 3. Okay, step 3 looks very. Oh, it's actually easy. So step 3 is to take this part. This is really easy, to be honest. Take this part here and then put it underneath here. Same thing with the second part, just so it holds. And then you pick one of the bolt thingies they gave you. And then you twisty turny it like so. Can you see what I'm doing? Just putting the black balls on the black thing so you probably can't see it. Then the same thing for this side. This is super easy. Let me see if there are different types of bolts. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm done tying all these parts of the bed. Next step is to flip it around like so. Okay, so where is my manual, whatever it's called? Next step in the manual is to put this thing. Honestly speaking, I don't think anybody needs an assembly video for this, but I'm just doing this because I feel like you might. But this is actually really fun, assembling this alone with no help, because I'm an independent woman. Oh, the things I think about when I'm alone. Gosh, I need help. Okay, so I'll just come up close and show you which ones I use for work purpose. I'll just show you this. So right now I'm on step 5, and as you can see, they said to put this one in the middle and then put the long one through it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, because I don't think you guys can see what I'm doing, and I don't really want to move my camera, so that's what I'm going to do. So this, put it in the middle right here, and then put this in here to pass through it, and then you use the small one. I don't think I showed you that, but I use a small one, which is the same one I used to tighten this part, to tighten it. This is so easy to assemble. It's like the easiest thing I've assembled in my whole life, and I assembled a whole lot of things that are really easy, but this one is really easy to assemble. I think I'm done. Wow, I'm actually done. Okay, so step 6 is to put the strip so that my bed doesn't move. I'm actually done. Like, for real, I'm done. This was super easy, bro. My accent sucks. My only accents I can do perfectly is the Nigerian accents, and I can't even do that perfectly. Okay, so it comes with this tape that you put so that the bed sticks to it and doesn't move about. Let's see how true that is. And then you peel the upper strip, which is what's going to hold it to the bed. And I am done assembling my bed frame, and it actually is high, so I put my mattress on it. First, I don't want to just put it. Oh. Okay, my bed is high. My bed is actually high. Okay, sorry, you're not supposed to see that part of me. I am loving this. Like, I haven't slept on a high bed in God knows how long. So I am really excited. I don't know what it feels like to sleep on a high bed anymore. Wow. I'm just going to make the bed. But first of all, let me see. It doesn't even move. It's not. Okay, because I don't know if you remember one of my videos for the room makeover, but I had my friend fix a bed, which was not the same thing actually. Now I had to fix every rod in the bed, and it was squeaky, but it wasn't even making any noise, and it's so comfy. Yes! I'm sorry, so I'm just going to make the bed and push it so you guys see what it looks like with the bed frame. By the way, I got the bed frame, somebody gave it to me as a gift, and the foot of the bed frame got missing, which is something I cannot explain. But anyway, see what it looks like at the end of the day. At this point, I pause and make the bed and show you guys. So that's what the bed looks like. It's like I said, it was 14 inches off the ground, so there's enough space for me to lie down or hide when playing hide and seek. But I actually love the vibe. It's elevated my room, honestly speaking. I'm not going to show you guys my room because I'm still arranging it. I'm going to give you guys a room tour afterwards. But this is what this looks like. So I'm going to sleep on it for like 2 weeks, and if it doesn't break, I'm going to do a review and add it to this video. And then maybe you guys can buy it too, because I'm loving it as is right now. So I'm going to see you guys in 2 weeks. Hey guys, so it's currently a month since I installed my bed frame, and boy am I loving it. Okay, so first of all, I've helped someone install another bed frame, and comparing this one to that one, this one is like way better, because the other one was making squeaky sounds and it was shaking, but this one, like, even if I practically move, it doesn't make a sound and it doesn't move. It's been in the same position I put it. That's a yes for me. And it's easy to pack. You guys saw when I installed it, so it's easy to, like, if I'm moving out of here, it's easy to, like, pack and move. This bed frame is everything. It has space to hide things. It has space to hide things underneath. It doesn't move. I'll give it a 5-star. I think if you're getting this bed frame, if you're thinking of getting a bed frame, you should get this one, because it's good. One, it's good for single people like me who, like, can move around a lot. Two, it doesn't make a sound, it doesn't shake, and it's very durable. Okay, so my friend was staying with me like a few weeks ago. We both slept on the bed and it didn't break. I mean, not like we weigh that much, but still, I feel like it can take 3 people or more, if that's possible. Because all I'm going to say is the bed is very strong. It doesn't make any sound, it doesn't move, and it's easy to assemble and disassemble. I think that's a word. It's easy to assemble and disassemble. That's my review. Like, I don't have anything much to say. If you're going to get it, I say you should get it, because even shipping, yeah, it's coronavirus time, and also shipping is usually taking longer wait times. But this came within 2 days. Even they said it was going to come within 5 days. So the shipping was good. Even it had some bad reviews on it, but I think this bed is okay. It's working for me. Go ahead and buy it on Amazon. I got mine on Amazon. I'm going to share the link down below in the description box. That's what it's called. I'm going to share the link in the description box, just in case you want to get it. Let me show you a quick video of what it looks like and how you can hide stuff underneath. This is how high it is, and underneath you can see that there is space. I decided to not put a bed skirt, but there's space to keep stuff if you need to. Like if your house doesn't have much storage like mine. I like the height. It's easy for me to just sit on it and shoot my videos, or sit on it and look outside my window. This bed is perfect for me. That's all I can say. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you well in your bed getting journey, because obviously watching the video because you want to get the bed. I think this bed is the best. The bed frame is the best, because it wasn't even that expensive. I've forgotten how much I got it, but I'm sure I mentioned it earlier in this video. Anyway, if you like this video and this review, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing like a few reviews, because I'll still be getting more furniture in my house, so you can look forward to that. But for now, everybody stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.